Another beautiful morning, nice and quiet. I do have another word for you today. This word here, the word reap. There's your Greek. English elements. Warm eyes. Warm eyes. And that's how it's written in the keyword concordance. The capital letters warm and then eyes. Alright, so this isn't a lot of scriptures either, but I'm going through these words in the keyword concordance, and I pick out the scripture of Paul, our apostle, because that's the important scripture that we're focusing on here. 1 Corinthians 9:11. If in expectation we sow the spiritual in you, is it a great thing if we shall reap of your fleshly things? 2 Corinthians 9:6. Yet is this, who is sowing sparingly shall be reaping also. And who is sowing bountifully shall be reaping also. Galatians 6:7. Be not deceived, God is not to be sneered at. For whatsoever a man may be sowing, this shall he be reaping also. Galatians 6:8. For he who is sowing for his own flesh, from the flesh, shall be reaping corruption. Yet he who is sowing for the Spirit, from the Spirit, shall be reaping life, Eonian. And Galatians 6:9. Now we may not be despondent in ideal doing, for in due season we shall be reaping, if we do not faint.